Oh, y'all think it's a game? You think it's a game? Watch what I'ma do. Greetings, Earthlings, Space Cadets, Freakazoids, all my misfits from all over the world. Today, we are in Alexandria, Virginia. That's right, we're still in Virginia, we're exploring, and today's gonna be special because y'all ever had that neighbor, that nosy ass neighbor, or that neighbor that you just don't get along with, or that neighbor that no matter what you do got something to say, or that neighbor that keeps the Christmas lights all year round? You know them neighbors? You ever had any of them issues? Well, if you had them kind of neighbors, this one's for you. So I invite y'all to come along as we trek this space. Gia.
Alexandria, Virginia is a city on the Potomac River just south of Washington, D.C. It is known for its old town with brick sidewalks and well-preserved 18th and 19th century buildings. Our founding fathers actually dined right here at Gatsby's Tavern, which is now a museum. However, we're not here for that today. Today, we're here for a little something called spite houses. A spite house is a building constructed to irritate the neighbors, like in this picture of a spite house located in Massachusetts. So in today's video, I will be taking y'all to 4 spite houses here in Alexandria, Virginia, including the smallest spite house in the country.
We're approaching the first spite house of the day, and this is actually the smallest spite house in the country. There's actually 4 right here in Virginia, in Alexandria. So I'm gonna try to take y'all to all 4 of them, but this one is the smallest, at 7 feet wide. All right, y'all, so this is the first spite house right here. Look at that. Look how tiny that is right there. And if it's made out of spite, because the dude, John Hollensbury, he got tired of people chilling on the side of the house, the wagons coming by, scraping up his walls, and he was like, oh, y'all think it's a game? You think it's a game? Watch what I'ma do. And he built this out of spite. And now they're so connected, nobody could even walk through it. Ah, smart, huh? Smart.
Built in 1830 by brick maker John Hollensbury, this house is 480 square feet. Originally an alley where people would walk, hang out, ride wagons through, all that alley cat shenanigans. They would scrape up the walls, maybe some ladies of the night. But one day, Hollensbury had enough, and he bought the alley lots right here at 523 Queen Street for only $45.65. Can you imagine that? And then in 1830, out of spite, he built a house measuring 7 feet 6 inches deep, eliminating the alley, preventing people from passing through his home. Now, how's that for some revenge?
Check it out, y'all. Tiny. It's so tiny. I was filming over here at the Spite House, and one of the locals that lives here, she approached me, and she actually gave me some addresses to some of the other ones that I already knew about. But she was saying that the locals, they don't call these spite houses, they actually call them revenge houses. They were built out of spite, or they were built out of revenge. So here we are, house number 2. This one is 11 feet wide. The other one was 7. But this one is currently a store, while the other house actually has people living in it. This spite house is from there to there.
Located on 205 King Street and built in 1812.
At the light, turn right onto North Henry Street. Then your destination will be on the right.
All right, y'all, so here we are. Spite house number 3, right here. See that little thing?
All right, y'all, this one is located at 403 Prince Street. It is 600 square feet and 8 feet wide. It is known to have been built sometime before 1883 when the owner Samuel Janney gave his son Henry the rental profits from the alley house and the 3-story house next door. Okay, so as we continue, I want to make a public announcement reminding y'all to think positive, live your life, and don't be Pope.
And here's Spite House number 4. So this tiny little guy sits at 8 feet wide.
And if y'all been keeping up, it is the only one that is 1 story tall. Located in 1401 Prince Street, and it's guesstimated that it was built between 1891 and 1895.
All right, y'all, that concludes our visit here. Alexandria, Virginia, Spite Houses, Revenge Houses, whichever one you want to call it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, ding that bell, and all that good stuff. And don't forget to see new places, meet new faces, and always, leave a space for love. Peace.